So I'm filming some of this construction from inside the car, because I'm not allowed outside on the construction site. So Leaman Signs is changing out a face on a side of a building. So right now they're loading up all the pieces from the side of the building into the back of Greg, the owner's truck. I really need to get a vest, a safety vest, shoes, and something else. Yeah. Well, the good news is that I've been recording for 9 minutes and I still have audio. The audio hasn't dropped out, so that's a good sign. I really enjoy that. This is me in compromising positions. Right, the basket is going back up. Switch camera view. Greg is on his phone over there. Crane operator is really good, because he's keeping them right inside of the building, going up, like hugging the wall. The next time I'll go on the driver's side.